As correctional officers, you face risk and dangers on a daily basis. The ICS 5 tactical priorities are designed to help address these challenges effectively. By allowing these priorities, you can enhance the security measures and ensure the well beings of both the staff and the inmates. Let's explore each of the 5 tactical priorities in detail. Safety, security, order, supervision, and care. These priorities are not just words, they are the pillars that support the functioning of a correctional facilities. For example, safety measures ensure the secure environment for everyone inside these facilities. While specific priorities can vary based on the nature of the instance, the following are generally considered essential in correctional settings. The safety of personnel. This includes the staff, the inmate, and the public. Protecting the lives is paramount to what we do in corrections. The accountability of the inmates, maintaining control and custody of the inmate is crucial to prevent escapes or disturbance. We also want to stabilize of the facility, ensuring the security of the facility and preventing further damage to the property of the institution. Incident containment. We're going to limit the scope of the incident and prevent it from escalating to other areas. We're also going to restore the operation back to normal operations, returning the facility to its pre-incident state as quickly and safely as possible. Additional considerations 2 to 5 practical priorities. It's going to be the medical and mental health support, providing the necessary medical and mental health care to the injured and distressed individuals. We also establish great communications, establishing and maintaining effective communication channels among all involved parties. We also going to coordinate with the outside agencies, collaborate with law enforcement, fire department, and other agencies as needed, depending on what the situation is. We also going to preserve the evidence, protecting and collecting evidence for potential investigations in case criminal charges needs to be established. Now here comes the key moments and critical roles these priorities play in maintaining control, preventing incidents, and ensuring the safety of both the staff and the inmates. By prioritizing these aspects, correctional officers can effectively manage situations and respond to the emergencies promptly. In conclusion, it's essential to understand the implements of the ICS 5 tactical priorities in daily operations. These priorities are the foundations of a well-functioning correctional facilities and plays a significant role in ensuring the safety and security of everyone involved. Before we wrap up, I want to encourage all of you to share your thoughts on how these priorities have impacted you in your work environment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more effective videos on corrections. Your support means the world to us. And thank you for watching. And remember to stay safe and vigilant out there.